Well, it is Merry Christmas. It's exactly 30 days ago that we started the finance, and we have a 22% average gain. So it's Merry Christmas on the Toby G and JD show. This is the financial show, and we're going to talk about the stocks that we've made 22% on, and the new stock that I bought yesterday, the stock pick of the week, and we'll talk about that in a couple of minutes. But in the meantime, it's a very, very volatile market. I mean, it's really crazy. This week, you're going to be very careful because the week can probably be short. A lot of people won't be doing trading and investing in the market because Thanksgiving is Thursday, and people will leave early. So, you know, sometimes if you're not into anything, unless you want to follow the stock that I'm on, which is up to you, which I'll tell you in a few minutes, I would stay out of the market. But other than that, I would be very careful. I mean, we're in very turbulent times, and there's a lot of things happening in the world. And one thing you're probably sick of me talking about is, look, you got to buy some gold and silver, keep it at home, buy it locally if you can. That way you can touch it, because if you can't touch it, you don't own it. You might want to buy it from some company. There's some reputable ones out there. There's some that aren't. I don't have a list of which aren't. But you can go right down to your local coin store and you can buy some silver every month. Buy some silver, bring it home. Don't put it in a safe deposit box. In the last podcast, I told you, put it in build a drawer, a false drawer in your house. You can go to myangelscloud.com and click on the finance page and scroll down, and you can find out how to build one. Put a safe in your house, bolt it to the wall or the floor, but keep your guns and the gold and silver in these safe places. You know, right now things don't look too good out there throughout the world. I'm not a conspiracy theorist, but you know, you got to protect yourself. You never know what's going to happen. But right now, Europe's imploding. This morning, Merkel is off on her projections, and Europe is going to take another large amount of migrants. I call them they're invaders. And where's that money coming from? That money's coming from the people of Europe, and eventually they're going to run out of that money, and because these people are all sucking off the tit of the government. And eventually that's going to break. That's why you need to put some gold and silver away. Not a lot, 15–20% of your investment should be in gold and silver, not as an investment, as an insurance policy. Now, as I say, that Christmas is coming, and if you look down there on the bottom, there's a link that you can click on, and there's a phone number leading to Computers and Websites Done Right, which will answer the phone for some great Christmas gifts, which is the Tervis tumbler, was made in America, right down the street from us. It's a insulated cup, highest quality, the name of any sports team you want, whether it be NBA, Major League Baseball, hockey, NFL, college teams. You can have the logo. It's on the inside in between, because these are insulated in between, and it'll kind of last forever. Hot or cold, great Christmas gift. People won't expect this. There's a 2-week back order on it because of orders coming in, and they're custom made. So you got to buy these ahead of time for Christmas. You got an ice bucket here. On this bucket, there's palm trees, insulated with tongs to pick up the ice. It's a great Christmas item. There are other items on that are available that are unique. If you just click on the link below, again, you can call the 800 number, and Computers and Websites Done Right will answer the phone. That being said, as we move along, we'll get to some stocks here. Now, the market, like I just told you, I'd be careful this week. I was out of everything Friday. Then I saw something. And I bought iBuy. I paid, what did I pay? $37.10, and it closed at, I'll tell you what it closed at. Let's see. It closed at $37.27. The reason I bought it, it's above the 50 and the 200-day moving average, and the MACD is starting to turn up, and the slow stochastic crossed, and it was down at around 40.20. So I like to buy them as low as I can, and I really watch it close when it gets up to about 90. I put a stop of 36.70 in that, and that's the new stock I bought. I got stopped out of the other stocks that I had was PayX. I got stopped out, and I had a slight gain in that, and enough to take me out to dinner, and I got stopped out for a small loss in Oracle, ORCL, that I recommended last week. So out of the 7 trades, it's been 30 days since we started this, to the day. It was October 18th we started doing this, and I've had 7 trades, and we are 22% ahead. That includes the profits and the slight losses. Whenever you buy a stock, put in a stop. You can determine the stop by the average trading range just out of that. You want to use a 3%, a 4%, or even 5% stop below it. That's up to you to decide. It's your money. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you to buy the stock I just did. I'm not licensed. I'm just use the charts. I'm telling you what I am looking at or I'm buying. There's a few others that are on my radar. I'm watching LIT. That's not ready. MU and STM I'm watching very closely. Another thing that we're going to do as we move on, now if the market breaks and we have a correction, we'll buy SH if it is above the 50 and the 200-day moving average. SH is shorting the market, and you're buying SH to go up because they go up, the market goes down. We are not near that yet. The market might start going south tomorrow. It may start going 4 or 5 days, maybe a week. It might go a year or 2 years. We don't know. Don't listen to the pundits on TV that tell you to stay out of the market. They're fools. They bought these stocks that they're touting lower than they are now. They want you to buy them to push them up, and then they'll dump them and you'll get hanging the bag. Don't listen to these people on Fox Business, CNBC, the emails that you get. Look, people have been telling you to get out of the market for over a year. The market's still going up. It's going to go to 30,000. Is it going to go down in between? Sure, you're going to have corrections. But there's no other place to put your money than the stock market, our equities. Don't put your money in bonds. That's the worst place you can put them. Municipal bonds, as states and cities go broke and bankrupt, they can't even pay their pensions. You put money in bonds, you're out of your mind. Put your money in equities. Don't say, oh, I bought it for the dividend. Yeah, you buy the wrong stock for the dividend. You may get 3%. The stock may go down 20%. Were you better off buying it for the dividend of 3%? You just lost 17%. Follow the money. That's the stochastics, the MACD, and buy stocks above the 50 and the 200-day moving average. That being said, great. You subscribe to us. For us, just push the button and subscribe to our channel. I'd really appreciate it. And watch our episodes. Click on this button. You watch our past episodes. We have various subjects we talk about. And make suggestions to us. We'd be happy to listen to your suggestions as we're going forward. And we'll see you next Tuesday. Have a great day.